You see? You see the snow? Look at this. Don't worry about it, Toby. I will put you in highlights so you will know. Yes. Thank you so much. I will show you my snow, guys. No. Toby right here. Hi, Myra, Selva, Ken Indo. Hello, Myra. You have a big house. Wow, you're from Brazil. Thank you for coming. Well, you have a lot of views. You have 1,202,044 views. Awesome. Thank you for subscribing my channel. You are the only one here. Thank you. Kumusta, amiga? Espanol. I do not speak Espanol, amiga. How do you say good afternoon? I'm from Philippines. I understand a little bit like kumusta. But you are from Brazil. You're not Espanol. But very similar. Thank you for watching. I'm in my kitchen cooking, so I will bring my. I will show my dog this time. I got my dog. My dog is very pretty. That's my dog is pretty. They're very pretty, like mama. I love my own, my native land. I love my own, my native land. Philippines and Philippines. Is that yummy to be? That yummy? Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, baby girl. What? What the heck? Sorry. You're super pretty. You're welcome. Thank you. Yes, sure.